So hello and welcome back, and in this video I'm gonna cover how to remove the steering wheel and airbag of Ford Puma 2021. I believe it's the car, or 2020, something like that. So it's the first time we have Puma, so it's gonna be a learning curve for me as well, but from what I can see, this is basically Ford Fiesta airbags, so should not be that easy. I made a mistake and took out the engine and electronics before removing this, so it's gonna be a little bit challenge, but yeah, I believe I can do it anyway. So start off, there is 3 torques underneath, so 1, 2, and third one is over here. So these 3 have to unbolt and then continue on. So I'm gonna take it out, and for you it's gonna be a second. So taking out these, and we will continue with the rest. As I said, it will be a lot easier if I had the electronics on, but yeah, let's take this out. Should not be that hard. Again, same goes with this upper layer. And after that you take the lower one. Maybe some plastic tools better. So some plastic tools just to click it out. This side, on other side it's even then easier. So put that there. Now we have a little bit more room, and this side won't be a problem. Downside we're gonna see after I pull out this plastic cover. So let's see what's holding it right now. Nothing. So 1, 2, 3 screws. After that it's gonna be a little bit harder because it's like this. So here it is. This one won't be a problem, but the one behind. So let's say I'm a little bit lucky this time, because I don't know if you wanna see, but let me to zoom in. This one airbag is kinda it exploded. So what you wanna do is just put this pin up. Once you put that pin up, the airbags come out. So, and other side, same here, but I will unplug it. So I don't know if you can see that. So I'm gonna push it up, and then I show you from the behind how it, because you don't have this. So once you take it out, you need to be extra careful with some pieces, especially the airbag jack. You really do not want to destroy this, and I did this mistake like so many times. This one should not be that hard, but you never know. I mean, it's a newer car, so basically it should go easy out. But as I said, you never know, because these kind of things are always kind of strong, as it should be. So that's the airbag. Now for the steering wheel, unplug the electricity, that's always, and another plug over here. So where it is, left, right. So unplug that, and you need a 24 to take this big screw out. It's a big screw, but it's just only one. So basically take it out. Electricity. Still need to unplug that one. So that's the electricity. And now let me show you how to take it out from the back side once it's plugged in. So here we have it. Maybe the best way is some tooling. I do have this box over here of all kinda interesting equipment, that's for sure. Basically I use this mostly for Focus MK3, but I believe this one you just need to find the one. So maybe a little bit, yeah, this one should be the best. Yeah. So what you want to do when it's back, you just click it like this, and then it's underneath. So the same goes on the other side. So you have this hole, right? So yeah, just don't need to push that hard. You will hear the clicking noise once it's out. Yeah, like this. And after that, it's just a matter of pulling it out like this. So I hope you get the picture. And when you bring the new one in, it's even easier. Let's see. So if you didn't take out the steering wheel, you just click the new airbag inside. So that's about that. You just need to click it inside, nothing overly too special. So if you're removing the steering wheel or changing the airbag on the car, okay, not the dashboard. I will show the dashboard in few next videos, but before that there is lots of things that I do have to take out before you even come to that. So next up we have the virtual cockpit, so that's gonna be the next video, and this one is really nice. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and yes, see you guys in the next one. If you have any ideas, any recommendations or suggestions of what you want me to show, be free to write in comments. So thank you and see you next one.